As always, I will show you how much I gained using this method. More than $2,000 in just 2 days. Insane, don't you think so? Thanks to this method that I will show you in this video, if you watch this until the end and follow all the steps, you will know exactly what to do and how to earn at least $1,000 a week. This is Easy Finance Boy, and welcome to the channel where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you will be updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button, and if you have any question, concern or suggestion, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. So today I will show you this website, which is a social media management tool. It's used by people who have many different social media accounts who just can't manage all of them properly and need a bit of help to use them. Now, you don't need a social media account for this. We won't be paying this site to manage our own accounts. No investment is required as this is a free strategy. So this begs to question, what do we need for this site? Well, on Social Pilot, what you need to do when you come on here is scroll down below to the bottom of the page, and then you want to find and click on affiliate program. Yes, we will indeed want to promote this as an affiliate. I have two methods to get traffic using a variety of different traffic sources, so stick with me to find out what they are. Anyhow, to become an affiliate and get that affiliate link, what you need to do on here is to click on get started. Then you want to enter in your first name and last name, email address and password. Take this box agreeing to their affiliate terms, and lastly just click on sign up to finish the process. Now that you have your account, let's backtrack a bit. Why is Social Pilot good to promote as an affiliate? First and foremost, they offer 13% recurring commission. A 13% recurring commission is not the best one out there, but it's better than most. The fact that this are recurring commission is what makes all the difference, because that means if you refer someone here and they keep using Social Pilot and those keep paying them, you will be earning 30% of what they paid Social Pilot for life. This in turn means you don't need to refer to a large number of people in order to literally earn thousands of dollars in passive income. On top of that, Social Pilot is a social media management tool, and this is important because people who don't have the time to manage their own accounts will need Social Pilot for the long term. Or in other words, there is a huge chance that whoever you refer to here will keep using this for a long period of time. Another thing that makes Social Pilot excellent to promote as an affiliate is its amazing prices. This tool offers its user a free trial. This is extremely beneficial because when you're promoting anything as an affiliate, the number one problem is from potential customers. Nobody wants to give away their money to a scam site. And the free trial offers such people an opportunity to test out this tool before paying them. Once they see that it's actually worthwhile, there is a great chance they will actually purchase one of the prices plans and earn your money in the process. So, as you can see, even though Social Pilot doesn't offer the highest of commission rate, it has amazing features that are extremely beneficial for anyone who wants to promote them as an affiliate. Before we proceed, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel, drop a like and leave a comment down below. With that said, let me show you how much money we are actually talking about. You can check this out as well by clicking on pricing right up here. As you can see, you have 4 pricing plans: professional, small, team, studio and agency. For each of these, a customer has an option of an annual or monthly payment, with the annual one giving them a slight discount. Now, the most popular of these plans is the studio. As you can see, with the annual option selected, it costs $85 a month with a total of $1,000 or so a year from a single customer, and since you get 13%, that's around $300. You can already see why this has so much potential. If you refer 15 people throughout an entire year and they all buy this plan, and many will, since it's so popular, you will earn $15,000 in pure passive income. Just like that, I will show you how to reach not dozens but thousands of people. And speaking of, it's finally time for me to show you where you can actually get traffic. As I said before, I have two methods. The first method is through the use of various freelancing platforms. The one is click on search here, select offers, and then you want to search for social media management. So we're looking for field answers. We are managing social media account. These people are perfect customer in this case, and the reason for that is because they can only manage so many accounts at once, which is also why they are charging literally hundreds of dollars. Think about it. If you present them with a tool like Social Pilot here, which will allow them to manage like 15 accounts, which can earn them thousands of dollars by just investing 18 or so. Basically, all of the 10 plus people that are doing this social media management on people per hour will want to use socialpilot.co. It will be immediately helpful for them and will allow them to skyrocket their business. Remember, you need dozens of people to accept in order for you to make thousands of dollars passively. Anyhow, in order to contact any of these people and share your affiliate link, what you need to do is hover your mouse over their username and you will be able to see the contact button right here, which you will be obviously want to click on. And when you share them your affiliate link, you want to also go over all of Social Pilot features with them. This is precisely where Social Pilot amazing price and free trial come in handy. You want to tell these people about both of these features, and there is a pretty decent chance, as I said, that they will at least give a Social Pilot a try, and if they actually pay them, then you will get paid in return as well. Now, as I said, you can use freelancing a platform to find customers. So it's not just people per hour. One of the biggest freelancing platform today is called Fiverr.co. This is another excellent place to find customers. If you search for social media management, just like on people per hour, you will find way more freelancers, and this of course why more customers. Other platform I will highly recommend are as follow upwork.com, freelancer.com, and lastly quickgigs.com. You will want to use all of this to find people who are doing social media management, since that's why you will find for more people. Obviously, not everyone who is freelancer on Fiverr is also freelancer on Upwork, and vice versa. So that's our strategy for today, and I hope you got a value out of it. And if you did, please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification on. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something today.